Hello students, welcome to your maths class. Here we have two good questions based on power set. Let me have a discussion over those. First one is there, find power set of a given set A whose elements are 0, curly braces 0, 1 and also find NPA. So let me take first this one, the first one solution here. Students, we have to find out the power set of A that is given as F. So here we have given A is equal to 0, curly braces 0, 1. We better know that power set of any given set is the collection all subset of A. So first of all we have to find out the subsets of A. Subsets of A. Those will be equal to how many? 2 to the power number of element of this. So how many elements of set are? 1 and this is 2. We will not count this as separately 1, 2. Okay, this is element in itself. And these curly braces are representing this set A. So total number of subsets are 2 to the power 1, 2 elements. It means 4. And which are those subsets that we can written as the whole? One by one you can put here. Subsets of A are, because phi is subset of every set, so we can put here phi. Then set itself is a subset of itself, so you can put here A. Then this one you can put as a subset of it, so you put here curly braces 0. Then again this is an element, so you can put over upper curly bracket outside it, because this is an element of the given set A. This is an element and we will put the curly braces so it will become subset. So here we have find out all the 4 subsets. Here total number of subsets are these 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 subsets are there, and number of subsets of any set are the number of elements of its power set. So therefore power set will be, PA will be set of all the subset of this set. So we will put here curly braces outside this. Student, remember here in place of A you can put this whole set. So you can put here as a set, just like in place of A you can put here 0, just like this. Okay, there should be no doubt in place of A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the number of subsets, and these are the element which are the subset of given set A will be the element of power set of A. So this is clear to you. Then one more question is there, very important. You have to find out NPPA if A is given as this one. This is a singleton set with element 1. This is very interesting question again. You have to find out this one, NPPA. So how we will solve these type of question? Last year this has been asked. So first of all we will try to find out this one, inner side. You will begin with this inner side, PA. So PA means power set of this A. So first of all we have to find out the subset of A. So subset, number of subsets of A will be number of subsets of A is equal to 2 to the power, how many elements are there? 1. So 1, it means there are 2 subsets of A, which will be phi, because phi is always a subset of every set. And then here what? Subset itself. So set itself will be 1, or you can write this as A. So these are the subset of itself, because we have to find out the power set of A. So now we have to find out, therefore PA will be, what you will write here, power set of A means collection of set of all subset of A. So all subsets of A are phi. It means you can write here power set of A phi and then 1. You can put this as such. Okay. Now we have to find out PPA. If you will put here PPA, P outside A, this implies again PPA. Means if you, for a second you can take this as X. So PX will be subset collection of all subset of X. It means there are 1, 2 elements are there. So how many subset will be of this PPA? So PPA will be equal to 2 to the power, how many elements are there? 2. It means total number of element will be, subset will be 4. Therefore PPA will be represented as all subset. First you can take as phi is subset of itself, so you can put here phi. Then set itself you can put here, so you can put here PA. Okay. Then this element you can make this as a subset, so this become offset, curly braces is phi. Then this is another element here, so you can put just like this one and this. So student, and in place of PA you can put again this whole set just like this phi and just this and this one. So you can put here PPA means power set of A. In place of this you can put here X. So how many subset of there? Because there are 2 elements, so 2 to the power 2, 4 subset will be of this PPA, this set. Now how many subsets are there? Those will be the element of PPA. Phi is subset of every set. Then set itself PA. Okay. Then phi, this element, and then subset of this one, and in place of this you can. Therefore now we have to find out NPPA. Therefore NPPA, number of element in this set, okay, will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer. Thank you.